Hello everyone, in today's video, Smart Tips will carry out a process to check and fix a power supply issue for a temperature probe device. Step 1. Take the temperature probe first. We prepare the main character of the video, the temperature probe. A probe usually has a long shape, with a metal tip to sense temperature, and a body that contains the circuit and battery. This is a compact and convenient device, but it can easily encounter problems. When the power supply is unstable, introducing the device helps viewers clearly understand what we are working. Step 2. Turn on the probe. No response now. Let's try to turn it on. Press the power button on the probe body. Observe the display screen. Result: the screen does not light up. No signal appears. This is the issue we need to fix. Viewers can clearly see the problem. The device does not work even though the power button was pressed correctly. Step 3. Remove the battery to check. Still no response when facing such a problem. The first step is to check the battery. Remove the battery cover at the end of the probe. Take out the battery and check for damage, rust, or whether it is drained. Reinsert the battery or replace it with a new one if available. Then try turning it on again. But the device still does not respond. This shows that the cause is not only the battery, but may also be related to the charger or the circuit. Step 4. Check the charger output next. We check the charger. Take the charger usually used for the device. Use a multimeter to measure the charger's output. See if the voltage matches the required specifications. If the charger does not provide stable voltage, or does not match the requirements of the battery device, this may be the reason why the probe does not power on. Step 5. Detect incompatibility between charger and battery through inspection. We discover that the charger and battery are not compatible. The battery requires a lower current, but the charger outputs a higher current. This incompatibility prevents the device from receiving the correct power, leading to malfunction. This is a common mistake when users use the wrong charger for small devices. Step 6. Use a step-down converter to fix this. We need a step-down converter. Voltage regulator. The step-down converter reduces the voltage from the charger to a level suitable for the battery and device. Take out the converter and connect it to the charger. Explain to viewers. The converter acts like a translator between the charger and the device, making the current compatible. Step 7. Check and adjust for compatibility. After connecting the converter, we proceed to check. Use the multimeter to measure the output after passing through the converter. Adjust the knob on the converter so that the voltage matches the battery's requirements. Ensure the output current is stable and not fluctuating. Excessively dot viewers will see the adjustment. Process and understand that this step is crucial to protect the device. Step 8. Connect output and input with correct polarity plus next. We connect the wires. Identify the positive, plus, and negative terminals of the output. Connect them correctly to the device. If connected incorrectly, the device may be damaged or fail to work. Additional explanation. A basic principle of electronics is to connect with the correct polarity, just like inserting a battery in the right direction. Step 9. Plug in the clean power after connecting correctly. We plug in the clean power, meaning the source has been adjusted, stabilized, and made compatible. Plug the power cable into the device. Observe whether there is an electrical signal entering. This step is important to confirm that all previous adjustments were correct. Step 10. Test with a motor to be more certain. We test the connection with a small motor. The motor will run if the power supply is stable. If the motor spins smoothly, it proves the power is clean and compatible. If the motor does not spin or spins weakly, recheck the setup. Using a motor as a load tester helps confirm that the power supply truly works well. Step 11. Reinstate the battery into the probe. Power on OK finally. We return to the temperature probe. Reinsert the battery into the device. Press the power button. This time, the screen lights up and the device works normally. Viewers will clearly see the result. After the inspection and troubleshooting process, the probe powers on successfully. Conclusion through the entire process. We have learned how to check the battery and charger, the principle of current compatibility between charger and battery, the role of the step-down converter in adjusting voltage, the importance of connecting with correct polarity, how to test the power supply using a motor as a load, The final result is that the device operates stably, proving that troubleshooting power supply issues is not too complicated if we understand the principles and follow the correct steps. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you next time.